Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I'm here with my daughter Kelsey, and we're excited because we were just sent this full-size, fully weighted 88 key piano, and we're going to be assembling it. Looks like it'll go together really easy. She's going to help me put it together, and then we're going to kind of see how it sounds. It came packaged extremely well in a nice box, lots of foam. Everything was bubble wrapped, and it looks like it comes with the tools to put it together, including a screwdriver and screws to put the legs on. Should be really easy, so let's go ahead and get started with just getting some of this unboxed. It did come with the instruction manual for the fully electric keyboard, the foot pedal. It does have the part that holds the music there, and then it does have the legs that are going to go on this. And these legs are held together by these provided screws. Very simple. Very nice looking legs, very solid. They're just going to go on at an angle on these, so we're going to line those up with the holes and then go ahead and get these screws put in to make sure that this thing gets plenty of stability, and then we will give her a try. Got all those legs screwed in. Again, just by grabbing it by this, it's light enough that one person should be able to flip this over and set it back up. Those metal legs are solid, makes it very sturdy, and I'm really liking this walnut look to this. It's a very warm look that they've got with this wood-like design. On the back side of here, you do have your power button to turn it on or off. You have an MIDI connection, USB-A connection on the back of here as well. Your power adapter connection, an area for headphones, which is very nice, and then an input for your pedal that you've got, as well as there for the sustain pedal and your regular pedal there. All of it is nicely and conveniently located on the back. On the top, you do have this little bridge here to hold any music. It also can come off very easily, so if you didn't want to use that, or you're going to be performing by memory, you could obviously do it without that, and it gives it a nice clean look on there as well. So let's go ahead and get this turned around, and we will give it a try. So one of the really neat features that this thing has, aside from it sounds really good, is the fact that it has a lot of different presets in here for your tones. So in here it has about, looks to be like almost 1,000 different tones that you can have for this. So you can even set it up like for an organ for church. Or you can set it up for regular grand piano. You just simply hit the tone button over here and then just select whatever tone it is that you're wanting to have. It comes preset to an electric grand piano. And it sounds like an electric grand piano. So we're going to mess around with a few little settings on here and kind of see what we can come up with. So why don't you play a little something with harpsichord? And it sounds like a harpsichord. When I think of a harpsichord, I typically think of something like maybe a little bit of ragtime with some harpsichord. So it provides a lot of different variations that you can provide, all packed into this nice, condensed, yet full-size and weighted keyboard that looks very nice. So you've got a regular play, and it stops just like you would on a piano. The sustain pedal feels very nice on your foot. You can push it down, it reacts just like it would on a regular piano. And sustains everything like that too. So again, with the combinations and the quality of it for the price, this is really a very nice piano.